I can feel you lifting off the weight of New Orleans. Yeah, I can feel you lifting off the weight of New Orleans.
So I'm here with my buddy Darian.
Yeah, hey man.
We're at the Saints and Sinners Bar on Bourbon Street.
Yeah.
And I wanted you to tell us a little bit about how this all came about.
We have a gentleman that owns this bar with an actor, but he gave his life to Christ about a year and a half ago. And we just been mentoring and talking to him for the last year and a half. And you know, he said, I want to allow this place to be used to spread God's love in such a way that's maybe no one has ever seen. Wow. And you know, he asked us, he said, man, is this even right? And we said, man, God will use whatever he can use, and he will do it extravagantly. And so about a month and a half ago, he said, listen, y'all can have the upstairs all you want, you know, any Sunday you want it, because they didn't use it for anything. And man, Heather just had on her heart that she needed Chris Burns to come down, and this gentleman's from Nashville. And he came down that first night, and I will tell you, something opened up that first night that he came. There was a roar that happened midway through that service, and I mean,